Hey guys, Fast here with another crypto video. This is another video to add to my crypto beginner series. So if you are just starting your crypto journey, this is exactly for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own MetaMask wallet, how to add different chains like Ethereum, Avalanche, different layer 2s like Arbitrum and Optimism, and lastly, how to add it to different dexes like Uniswap and PancakeSwap. Having your own MetaMask wallet is a crucial step to protecting your funds so you can avoid situations like what happened to FTX. With that being said, I also recently just did a video on how to create your own SwiftX account so you can transfer your funds from your bank account to an exchange, so you have your funds ready to transfer them to your different wallets like the MetaMask that you create today with me. With all that being said, let's jump right into it. The first thing you will need is a computer and a web browser. As a web browser, you can either use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. I personally use Google Chrome, so it doesn't make any difference which one you choose to use. But for the purposes of this video, I'll show you how to do it on Google Chrome. So the first thing I want you to do is open up Google Chrome, open up a new tab and type in MetaMask. So go to download MetaMask today. As you can see, you can choose Chrome, iOS or Android. But in this case, we're trying to install it on Chrome. So install MetaMask for Chrome. Then you can add to Chrome here as an extension. You can see it'll pop in this corner shortly as it downloads, and then it tends to hide. So to show it up again, if you lose it, just click on this little puzzle piece here, extensions, and you can see MetaMask is downloaded here already. And what you can do is pin that to your toolbar up here. So now it's added up here. So the first thing we're going to do is create our wallet. So here we'll agree to MetaMask terms of use. Here you can choose to create a new wallet, which in this instance we are. But once you create your wallet and later on you want to add that same wallet on different computers, different PCs and different browsers, what you will be using in that scenario will be to import an existing wallet. But again, in this instance, we'll create one. Here we'll agree. In this case, you just create a password. Since you're going to hold your hard-earned money on this wallet, it's very important that you choose a password that's very strong and no one can guess. So I'm going to choose my password. Now for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to choose something very simple. So once you've chosen your password, create a new wallet. Now in this next page, I always choose to secure my wallet, which is recommended by MetaMask. Now in the next page, it's going to generate you a 12-word seed phrase, which is going to be very important in protecting your wallet. So what you'll need to do is to save that in somewhere safe and preferably not somewhere digital that can be hacked like your phone. And I definitely wouldn't recommend you take a photo of it. I personally suggest you can actually write that physically somewhere that then you can protect inside a safe box. As you can see, it also gives you some recommendations. Save in a password manager, store in a safe deposit box, write down and store in multiple secret places. This is the main thing you need to always remember. Under no circumstances you should share your secret phrase with anyone. Now there will be times that I've actually been guilty of that when I started my crypto journey. So the one thing you need to always remember is protect that. Do not share that under any circumstances. And there actually isn't one scenario in anywhere around any project or anything that you need to share that with anyone. Always remember that. So in this instance, we'll say secure my wallet. So here, if you reveal that, you can see your phrases, which you can copy and you can paste that somewhere for now, or you can write them down. I'll let you choose how you're going to protect that. People go to different lengths in protecting their secret codes. The safer, the better, but make sure you also don't lose it, because if you lose it, no one else can regenerate it. There's no one you can reach out to. This is on you. You need to take full responsibility for it. So I'll go next. Here is asking me what the third, the fourth, and the eighth words are. So once that's done, you go continue. Now wallet creation is successful, and there you go. Your wallet's confirmed. So once you create your wallet, if you go in the corner up here and click on the fox icon, you can see your wallet is created. I have in this instance 0 ETH. The next step is to add different chains to your MetaMask. So right now I'm on the Ethereum chain. So what you'll need to do is go up in the left corner up here. You can see Ethereum mainnet is already added. Linear mainnet is added. If you want to add more networks, you can go add network here. And you can see there's some networks that are already listed that you can add. So for example, Avalanche and Arbitrum. So if you go add Arbitrum, you can approve and you can switch to it if you'd like. Got it. And now next time you go to your MetaMask wallet up there, in the top left corner, you can see Ethereum, Linear, and Arbitrum are added. If you want to add Avalanche, you can also go there again and add Avalanche to the chains list and go there. It's very quick and easy, and you can see Avalanche is also added. Now, if you want to add a chain that's not included in the list, which will happen especially if you're going to participate in airdrops of new projects, then you need to go and add a network manually. Now, to get the right information, you need to go to a website called Chainlist. Here you can actually choose for different chains. For example, let's choose a chain that's not already included in this list. So we'll go with Mantle. So what you do is you connect wallet, you then go next, connect, and you can see it already adds it to your list. And now you can see Mantle is added to your chain list. Another way, if you don't want to connect your wallet, what you can do is, for example, if I want to add Mantle, so what you can do is just basically Google Mantle add to MetaMask, and that way you can actually find that information. That way you can actually manually enter the details into here. So Mantle, RPC, chain ID. So if you do that, I can switch to Mantle, and again, that's another way to add the chain to my list. Now that you know how to add different chains to your MetaMask, the next step is to actually fund your MetaMask. Now again, I recommend you watch the last video I did in my crypto beginner series, because in that video I'll actually show you exactly how to transfer funds from a wallet to another wallet through different chains. So I won't repeat that again here. If you'd like to watch that, I'll link it right here. So to send some ETH to this wallet, all I need to do is copy the wallet address here, then paste it on my other exchange where I hold other cryptos so I can fund my account. And once I've actually funded my account and say transferred some ETH on my Ethereum network on my MetaMask, what I can then go ahead and do is actually bridge that ETH across different chains. And to do that, all I need to do is go on the Fox head again on my wallet and click bridge. And as you can see, now I can connect my wallet here, and then I can send Ethereum from my Ethereum network to, for example, my Linea, and I can also receive Ethereum on that. So then I can transfer 1 ETH on my Ethereum, and then it will calculate how much ETH I will receive on my Linea after the fees have been paid. Always make sure you have extra ETH if you're transferring through Ethereum network, because the gas fees are usually very high. The next thing you can do is, once you have that funds and you want to actually purchase some tokens, if you go to uniswap.org, then you can go launch app. Here you can connect your wallet, your MetaMask, and here you go next, connect, and now your wallet is connected to Uniswap. So the next thing you can do is go ahead and choose any project that you're looking at. For example, if I want to buy some USDT with my ETH, I can go ETH to USDT. If I have USDT and I want to swap it to ETH, then I can do vice versa through this. And it's a very simple process. Well, now you have your own MetaMask wallet. With that being said, let me leave you with a couple of points to make sure your funds are secure and safe. Always make sure you have some burner wallets, especially if you're going to conduct airdrop farming or connect it to different projects. And in that burner wallet, do not hold any of your major crypto holdings. I actually recommend you hold all your major crypto holdings on a cold storage wallet. With that being said, if you got some value from this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.